What I'm looking for is to see if the market is going to continue the uptrend. You can see on the 2-minute time frame that the market has created a high, a higher low, and a higher high. So the question is, can the market pull back to stay above $2,988.50 to continue to go back up to the upside towards $21,045? Or is the market going to push past it or push higher before getting to where I personally would like to enter above this doji? So we're going to see what's going to happen. The open is in the next 3 minutes, under 3 minutes actually, almost 2 minutes. So we're going to wait to see what happens. Okay, so the market has reversed. So now I'm not going to be looking for a buy anymore. I'm going to look to see if we're going to get a sell. And I don't know how low price is going to go, so I'm just going to wait to see what's about to happen. Just pushed higher. So now we're the buyer again. All right. So now we're going to see if now the market can come back and stay above 29.5575. This is crazy. So this is just because of the open. So let's see what's about to happen. Okay. So this market is crazy right now. All right. So one thing I've learned about moves like this is what I say. It's like a reversal, right? So you got one reversal. But now this reversal has failed. So this is failed reversal number 1. So now the question is, okay, if this is failed reversal number 1, and it looks like the market wants to go up, and this is failed reversal number 2, is the market about to get ready to push back all the way up to the upside now? So that's something we have to see, which is a strong possibility that it particularly can. And we will see if it wants to. Or it may just continue to go down. So we don't really know. All right, so the market just made another low. We're gonna wait to see if price can pull back, so I could potentially get into a sell with the continued momentum to the downside. So let's see what's gonna happen here. If we'll get it. So we're just gonna be waiting on a pullback. Okay, so price triggered my stop loss. Let's see if it's gonna continue to go down though. I'm out just to recover a little bit of what I lost. All right. I think price can still continue to go down too. Yeah. Yeah, look. But I'm gonna take my small hit though. So yeah, it was a good trade. It just stopped me out right after I entered. So stopped me out by literally 3 points. Hey, that happens, you know, and what can you do? The target that I was going for was down here at 28.83. Like I said, you can see the market is trying to get to that target. I think it is going to get there. So that would have been for like 61 points on that. Or actually, I'm sorry, it's lower. Let's see here, for about this would have been 44 points. But I'm okay with the trade. I did enter based on the 1 minute. I'm trying to try something different. See if I can enter a tad bit early, but maybe just stick to what I've been doing. The 2 minute, it's just gonna work for me for NQ. And so just gonna have to go and play with the data a little bit more. But all in all, I'm not upset about the trade. I'm actually happy with how this panned out. So I'm just gonna explain it again, the system. Okay, so what I'm waiting for is always TMP, trend. I'm always watching the trend first. Is the trend going up or is the trend going down? So when we first came to the market, I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. Coming to the market, the first thing that I noticed was that we were in an uptrend. The market had a high, a low, and then a high. This made me want to be the buyer. But however, when price made this new low, now I want to be the seller. But you can see that price did not stay below $21,045. So then when the market pushed back up, this is when I noticed, okay, market made a new high. Maybe it wants to go up again. Maybe this is just, the market coming in, taking out these the sellers or the buyers, whoever are here, is pushing back up. I just never know. Then the market made a new low. We could not stay above $20,955. And this is when, something I've been learning to do is not take as many counter trend trades recently. And I think that just really has been working and really has been helping me. It's not taking too many counters and just looking for that moment to strike. And this is when I wanted to take this sale. And y'all can see like how I took the sale, aiming for this -27, to potentially say, hey, the market could potentially make a new low here. And it did, just got stopped out before, ended up taking an entry just to make some of the money back after seeing that there was momentum to the downside. Once again, and I'm always vocal about this, I have to get better with holding these positions. It seems like once I get out of the position, that's when the market wants to rip and run. So, just got to get that confidence up on this 2 minute time frame and just go from there. The 2 and 1 minute work well together. What I was doing before this, I was trading ES on the 15 minute, but I realized my anxiety was through the roof because dealing with the 15 minute time frame, the risk is a little bit higher on the trade. So on ES, there is times where I'm risking like between 8 to 16 points sometimes, and sometimes on a low volume day, maybe risking 4 to 6 points, which isn't bad, but is how I do my stop loss, right? I always like to add a little bit more with my stop loss, so it can make my stop loss higher. And dealing with a prop firm, especially a prop firm like this, where you can only lose 4%, right? And then I did go back over to trading micros on ES, and I just found out that for me personally got a little bit too tiresome. So I came over to NQ and said, hey, just risk the one contract, and whatever happens, happens. But all is claw, which means all is well. So today it is a loss after my 5-day winning streak. So it's a loss of $305.60, which is okay. I still need like $1,400 to pass this combine account on TopstepX. And then once I pass that, then I'll be looking for getting funded and then working towards payout and then going that route. Now, another thing I want to talk about really quick is TopstepX. I really do like TopstepX. I like the fact that I can use my TradingView account, my TradingView chart, because it just makes it easier. I'm used to TradingView. I've tried, and I have an account with TradingView as well. I don't like trading through TradingView. I believe in trading through the platform that you're most comfortable with, and this platform I am most comfortable with. But I will say, because I have to write this down, I did make a trading mistake. I traded twice today. So normally when I lose a trade, I'm particularly done. But y'all can see like how the market is trending. So one thing that I've been back testing, and I'm thinking about adding this in, it won't be now, but just extending my trading day. One of my rules is if I lose one trade, I am done. I cannot keep trading, right? But I still believed in this trade. I still believe that it had some downside momentum to go. It probably still has some more downside momentum to go. Like, this is what a trending market looks like at the moment. You can see, like, the market has made 2 consecutive lower lows. That is what we need to say, hey, this could potentially be a sell. Lower low, lower high, lower low. And now the market has come and made another lower low. And so as long as price can stay below $20,957 and doesn't go past this particular number, then yes, the market could continue to sell off. But if it does go past this number, then all bets are off. Now we're going to be the buyers, right, above the higher low, or the last higher low. That's just depending on what the market does. But me trading, again, is not a part of my rules, but I still believe in the trade. It's not something that I would do a lot. But it's just to get some of that down. Do I wish I would have held this trade? Heck yes, because this was a beautiful $1,000 trade. And that's something that I have to get used to too. I have to work on my belief systems with money, knowing and believing that I deserve those $1,000 days, and I have done quite a few $1,000 days. But it's just holding it to get there, and not just when I see the green going ahead and snatching the profits. Although when I get more of my accounts up, these $200-$300 days, you know, with multiple accounts will turn into that. But anyway, I'm rambling. So it was a good trade. Just got stopped out of the first one. Price went my way, was able to recover a little bit, or recoup a little bit of the loss from that. So what could have been a $500 day, a lost day, it's a $305 loss. So I made $195 back on that. So that's not bad. But just the only mistake I made was trading twice. But I'd rather do that today than take a $500 loss. But the good thing was the trade was right. It was good. It was accurate. Just gonna stick to my 2-minute. And then just go from there. But the 2 and the 1 combination are a really good combination if you ever wanted to try it. If you got any questions, y'all just put it in the chat. Let me know. And you guys be blessed. I pray you had a profitable day. I'm going to take my little loss and run so I don't make any more trading mistakes. Okay? You guys be blessed and have a good one.